As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.
What's up, guys? Today I just wanted to talk to you real quick about this GoPro 13 battery charging unit that comes with some extra batteries as well. I've been using this for about 4 months. I do full-time content creation and live on the road full-time. Right now I'm at the base of Banff ski area and I'm going to be using these batteries today. They hold up incredibly well while actually powering the GoPro. It's negative 13 right now outside, and I know these batteries are going to hold up to an entire day of use. As you can see, they look exactly like the GoPro 13 Enduro batteries and function exactly the same. The unit itself has taken a bit of a beating. Like I said, I live in my van and this has taken some hits. It's fallen a bit, but the lid is currently off of it, but it still works completely fine. To its credit, because after some of the hits I didn't really expect it to work. As you can see here, you can charge it with a normal USB-C and it has a little indicator light to tell you that it's working. It also has some indicator lights for each battery so you can see where it's at in its charging cycle. So yeah, really great way to add some extra batteries to your GoPro 13 and get all the footage that you want to get from it. These have been really reliable in cold weather, and I would highly recommend this unit to anyone looking for some extra batteries and extra charging capacity.